Welcome to Consumer Reviews. The best jeans patches is probably one of the most versatile and practical solutions for extending the life of your favorite denim, offering a quick and easy way to repair holes, reinforce worn areas, or even add a unique decorative flair to your garments without the need for complex sewing skills. These innovative iron-on patches are designed for effortless application, making them an ideal choice for anyone looking to salvage beloved jeans or customize their look with minimal effort, ensuring your denim stays stylish and functional for longer. Number 5. ZEFFFKA Denim Iron-On Patches Kit. Introducing the ZEFFFKA Denim Iron-On Patches, a 12-piece kit in shades of blue. These patches are made from 100% cotton and feature the strongest hot melt adhesive for a secure bond. Applying these patches is a breeze. Simply preheat your iron, place the patch on the desired spot, and iron for 60 seconds. No sewing or extra glue is required thanks to the durable hot melt adhesive. These patches can be applied to the outside of your garments for decoration or to the inside to conceal holes. You can even cut them to your desired size or shape for a custom look. Once applied, these patches are machine washable and can even be tumble dried on high heat. If a patch starts to peel, simply re-iron it for a lasting repair. Repair worn out areas like knees and elbows, or prevent future tears by applying them to weak spots. These patches can extend the life of your favorite clothes and are suitable for a variety of fabrics. Crafted in the EU with high-quality materials, these patches offer a reliable and stylish solution for denim repair and decoration. What we like? This option offers the strongest glue for a durable hold, suitable for both inside and outside repairs. If you need a long-lasting fix that can withstand frequent washing and tumbling, this is the one for you. It's perfect for high-wear areas like knees and crotches. What people say? The patches are a good size and easy to cut. They stick well and hold up through washing. The adhesive is strong and they don't peel off. Number 4. ZEFFFKA Denim Iron-On Jean Patches. Introducing our premium denim iron-on patches, crafted from 100% cotton for superior durability. They offer the strongest glue for a long-lasting repair. These patches are perfect for repairing or decorating a variety of items. From jeans and jackets to blankets and backpacks, they add a stylish touch. Available in assorted shades of blue and black, you can easily match them to your existing items. Give your belongings a fresh new look. Applying them is simple with the iron-on feature. Just a few seconds and your item is repaired and looking great. Ideal for mending clothes for grandchildren or refreshing your own gear. They're great for school, work, or sports apparel. Use them to cover scuffs, tears, or stains on almost anything. They can even protect items like gloves or caps from further damage. What we like? With assorted shades and a larger size, this choice is great for creative repairs and matching various denim colors. If you're looking to cover bigger holes or want more flexibility in your design, these patches offer excellent coverage. They are ideal for a wide range of items, from jeans to bags. What people say? Easy to use, worked well to patch a rip in jeans. The photo shown is after the patch was installed, worn and used at work for 3 weeks and then after washing. Still adhering with no lift on the edges and preventing the wear that would definitely have meant replacement of the bibs. These ZEFFFKA premium quality denim iron-on jean patches come in several shades from black to light blue, making them ideal for patching all of my work pants. They're also large enough for those larger tears when a nail on a framing stud jumps out and grabs your pant leg. Number 3. King Mountain Iron-On Repair Patch 20 PCS Pack. Don't let holes and rips ruin your favorite jeans or denim jacket. This kit is the perfect solution to rescue and refresh your beloved denim items. Go beyond simple repairs and get creative. Use these patches to add fresh designs and personalize your worn denim, making them uniquely yours. These patches are perfectly sized to cover holes of any size. With 5 different colors, you can choose the perfect match or create a stylish contrast for your denim. Our advanced glue formula ensures a strong bond that lasts. After numerous washes and dries, these patches stay firmly in place, providing a reliable repair. Repair or decorate your clothes in just minutes. Simply peel, stick, and iron at 330 degrees Fahrenheit for 1 minute for a quick and easy fix. We stand by our product with a lifetime warranty and money-back guarantee. If you're not completely satisfied, We'll provide a full exchange or refund, no questions asked. What we like. This pack comes with 5 different colors, offering a good variety for matching your denim. If you value peace of mind with your purchase, the lifetime warranty and included sewing kit make this a standout option. It's a solid choice for those who want extra assurance and a complete repair solution. What people say. Worked well for my favorite jeans. The pockets had worn on the seat, so I got this patch. Matched the blue, ironed on, and viola, my jeans do show my boxers anymore. The patches helped me get the holes sealed and it brought back the warmth the jeans originally provided. I've also used these on just normal non-thermal jeans, and it's working well. The iron-on backing makes them quick to apply, and they stick well once heated properly. The pack comes with plenty of pieces, so there's enough for multiple repairs or projects. Number 2. Blue Jeans Denim Patches 4 Rolls. Introducing our premium iron-on patches, designed for quick and easy clothing repairs. Simply use an iron to seamlessly mend holes and tears. These patches come in large sizes, perfect for both small and large repairs. You can also use them to create unique designs and personalize your apparel. The strong adhesive ensures a durable bond without the need for sewing or glue. For an invisible repair, apply the patch to the inside of your garment. Prevent future damage by applying these patches to high-wear areas before holes appear. Extend the life of your favorite jeans, jackets, and more. Ideal for repairing jeans, jackets, sheets, car seats, and even socks. These versatile patches offer a solution for a variety of fabric items. We are committed to providing quality service. If you have any concerns about color matching, please don't hesitate to reach out to us. What we like. Offering 4 large rolls, this product is perfect for extensive repairs or multiple projects. If you have a lot of denim items to mend or want to cut custom shapes easily, the continuous length is a huge advantage. It's ideal for anyone who frequently repairs clothing or wants to stock up. What people say. The patches are a good size for covering holes in jeans. They are easy to cut and apply with an iron. The adhesive is strong and holds the patches in place well. Number 1. ZEFFFKA Premium Tartan Fabric Iron-On Patches. Introducing ZEFFFKA's premium quality tartan fabric patches. Made from 100% cotton with the strongest hot melt adhesive, these patches are designed for both repair and decoration. Each patch measures 5 by 7 inches, perfect for covering holes or creating your own unique designs. Their modern look complements a variety of clothing styles. Applying these patches is a breeze. Simply preheat your iron, place the patch, and iron with pressure for 60 seconds. No sewing or extra glue needed. You can apply them to the outside of your garments for a visible repair or to the inside, where the adhesive will subtly blend in after a few washes. These patches are machine washable and can even be tumble dried on high heat. If they start to peel, simply re-iron them for continued durability. Use them to repair worn areas like knees and elbows, or apply them preventatively to extend the life of your favorite clothes. They're perfect for jeans, jackets, sheets, and more. What we like. Featuring a large plaid design, this option adds a modern and cool aesthetic to your repairs. If you're looking to not just fix but also decorate your clothes with a stylish pattern, these are a fantastic choice. They are perfect for giving jackets or jeans a unique, fashionable update. What people say. Heavy durable patchwork just as described. This applies very easily with an iron and has stayed on well. The cute buffalo plaid has added some style to our dark brown couch. Very good quality, colors as they appear and match garments well. Easy to use. Gives the impression that it will last. I have already washed it once after application and dried it in the dryer without any problems. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.